Hey there, high-level enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of creating websites using GoHighLevel. As you need a physical space to run an offline business. Similarly, to run a business online, you need a space on the internet. And website is one of the best ways to build a home for your digital business. You can also create a website using WordPress, which is a CMS software that gives you full control over customization, and you can build any custom website with it. But if you need frequent interaction with your customers and fully automated marketing solutions for your website, then choosing HighLevel for building a website is a good choice. As HighLevel is an all-in-one marketing solution, let's get started. Log into your HighLevel account and choose the sub-account in which you want to create a website. Navigate to the left navigation bar, select the Sites section, and then choose Websites. This is where you can build websites in GoHighLevel. Click on New Website, it's your canvas, and you're the artist. Give a unique, compelling, and relevant name to your site that speaks for your business. Next, you can either choose pre-made templates to build your site or start from scratch if you're feeling extra creative. HighLevel makes it easy for both beginners and web wizards. Choosing a template for building a site can save lots of hours because it can provide you with a base layout for your site, which you can further customize as per your business needs. However, creating a website from scratch is a great idea because you can build a unique and custom website for your business. HighLevel gives you free access to many pre-made templates. Simply choose a template, preview it, and click Continue if you want to use that template for your site. Once the template is ready, you will be automatically redirected to the website builder. We will customize the website pages in a minute. As of now, simply click back to go to the main settings page for your site. Now, go to the Settings tab. First, and as you can see, the name of your site is just a template name. So, make sure to add the correct name for your site and also change the path name, which is the URL slug. Next, choose the domain name for your site. If you haven't added that domain yet to your HighLevel account, make sure to add that first and then simply select from here for your site. A favicon is a website icon like this, so add the favicon URL here to display an icon for your site. Next, you can turn on the payment mode to collect payments through your site and keep the image and JavaScript optimization turned on so you load your site faster. Additionally, you will get the option to enable GDPR compliant fonts, but we keep this option turned off because turning it on can disable Google Fonts. Next, you can turn on the same origin iframe, which can mitigate clickjacking attacks, but we usually keep this option turned off for our sites because enabling it can restrict the pages from being displayed in an iframe on a different domain. Once you have done this, make sure to save your settings and you will be able to see the updated website name at the top of your page. Now navigate to the Pages section. This is where you can manage all the pages for your site. As you can see, we have imported this pre-made template, and it by default comes with 6 pre-made pages. You may want to add pages to your site, such as services or pricing based on your business needs. So, to add new pages to your website, simply click on Add New Page and give a name to your page, such as Services, enter the URL slug, and if you want to import a page from ClickFunnels, put that URL here and the page will be imported from ClickFunnels. We're not using ClickFunnels, so simply leave it blank and click Create New Page. So now your page is created. Next, you can choose to either create this page from scratch by selecting Create from Blank or import any existing page from your funnel or website by clicking on Use Existing. Choose the funnel or website based on where you want to import, select that particular funnel or website, and then finally select that page that you want to import and click Import. So this is how you can create new pages for your site. Now, it's time to personalize your website pages using a drag and drop high-level website builder. So, navigate to the page that you want to customize and click on Edit. Any type of content that you add to your site is called an element in the high-level website builder, such as headings, paragraphs, forms, images, or videos. Select the element you want to customize, and on the right side, you will see all the settings for editing, such as spacing, color, text formatting, and alignment under the General tab. Switch to the advanced settings to customize the settings for line height and transform the text to uppercase or lowercase. Using the visibility settings, you can choose where you want to show that particular element. For example, if you want to show an element on just desktop devices, then keep the desktop icon enabled. And disable the mobile icon. Now that element will only be shown on the desktop, not on mobile devices. But in most cases, we keep the visibility option enabled for both desktop and mobile because all the elements should appear on both devices. After making any changes, make sure to save your changes. Next, to build a well-organized and structured website, you need to add suitable sections and rows. And then you can add elements to make your site flow well. So simply click on the plus icon where you want to add a section, then choose the width for that section, and next choose the row type. Let's add 2-column row. Now it's time to add an element. So click on the plus icon, drop the element which you want, and drop where you want to place that element. Let's add a headline in the left column and form an element in the right column. Now, select the form that you want to embed here on your site. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and watch our forms video from this high-level mastery course and create one for your site. You can find the link to that video below this lesson. Once you are done customizing your site, make sure to check that your site is also responsive on mobile devices. Means the website is perfectly accessible on mobile devices as well. Building a responsive website is very important because both users and search engines love mobile-friendly devices. So, for this, simply switch to the mobile mode and see how it looks on mobile devices. If you feel anything is looking weird, customize the mobile settings by selecting that element. For example, if I want to make the text size for this element smaller to make it more readable on mobile devices, simply select it and change the font size. 55.4% of internet users use mobile phones to buy online. So, if you're not optimizing your site for mobile, you're leaving sales opportunities on the table. HighLevel doesn't only allow you to make your site friendly for different devices, but also for search engines as well, because HighLevel gives you the inbuilt feature to optimize your site for SEO. So, simply click on this icon, enter an SEO title and description for the page, and enter keywords for which you want to optimize your page. You can also add the author name, social image, custom meta tags, and canonical links if you have any. And lastly, you can view the SEO preview. Now, you may want to track your website data for analyzing and making better decisions for your business. Adding a code is not a hard task, it's just a game of a few mouse clicks. All you need to do is click on the code icon and add the tracking code here. It can be a Google Analytics 4 tracking code, Meta Facebook Pixel code, Google Tag Manager code, or anything else based on what you want to track. Once you added the tracking code, save it. Once you're done with all the customization settings, make sure to save, and you can also preview your page by clicking on the preview button. Creating websites in GoHighLevel is like riding a digital roller coaster, thrilling and surprisingly easy. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Musical.ly website content is static, but make sure to check and audit your site every month and keep updated if anything needs to be changed. So go ahead, create, innovate, and let your digital dreams come to life.